The intestinal microbiota can be considered as a functional organ of the human body, providing invaluable services to its host on a daily basis. The microbiota is in close interaction with our intestine and plays different major roles. Thus, it performs metabolic functions essential to digestion. A fraction of food, such as dietary fiber, and a large portion of carbohydrates, is not digested by our enzymes in the small intestine. It is broken down by the microbiota in the colon. This intestinal community also acts as a barrier against the invasion of pathogenic microorganisms responsible for various diseases. Not only does the microbiota prevent them from settling in by occupying the field, but the good bacteria of the microbiota fight directly against the pathogens by competing for the same nutrients and by producing bactericidal substances. The intestine represents the first reservoir of immune cells in the body. These cells, white blood cells, play an important role in the microbiota by sorting out harmful bacteria from those that are beneficial to health. The immune system therefore influences the composition and diversity of the microbiota. And it turns out that in return, the microbiota activates and influences the immune system. Stress, fatigue, and unbalanced diet, or taking antibiotics, reduce the variety of microorganisms present. However, their diversity is fundamental. A drop of 30 to 40% of this diversity can cause the appearance of certain chronic diseases, type 2 diabetes, hepatic or cardiovascular problems. Conversely, by modifying the composition of the microbiota, we could prevent certain pathologies. The microbiota intervenes on digestion, but also at various levels on the functioning of our body. Its interaction with the brain is an element that we are just beginning to measure. We must therefore accept that we are non-independent beings that host other living beings that are indispensable to us. Respecting and cultivating this active symbiosis is probably a major key to our health.